Good morning, everybody. My honorable judges, my honorable all participants on 7th International Conference on Electric Vesicular Technology SCVT 2022. Today, I will presenting my paper. The title is The Implementation of Real Pot Sensor Integration in the Real Blind Spot Application as a Media for Millennial Generation Driving Safety Learning in Era 4.0. My name is Egi Andarwati Sulistianing Trias Febrianti as a presenter, and the author of the paper is Dr. Winoto Hadi, ST, MT, Engineering Faculty Universitas Negeri Jakarta, Kencana Ferawati, SST, MMTR, Engineering Faculty Universitas Negeri Jakarta, Antoni Costa, STMT, Engineering Faculty Universitas Negeri Sriwijaya, Egi Andarwati Sulistianing Trias Febrianti, Engineering Faculty Universitas Negeri Jakarta, and the last is Monica Wulandari, Engineering Faculty Universitas Negeri Jakarta. And next, how is the application of real pot sensor integration on the real pot blind spot application to become a learning medium for driving safety for millennials in the 4.0 era? Chapter 1, Introduction. Blind spot is an accident that occurs due to vehicles that cannot be seen by the driver with the vehicle's rear view mirror. This accident takes the most fatalities, which is dominated by two-wheel vehicles. If noticed from the physical to well-lit vehicles, such as motorcycles and bicycles, have small size compared to other vehicles. The high intensity of accident that the blind spot on the vehicles or blind spot occur when the truck turn, change lane and reverse, which cause vehicles such as motorcycle and escape the sight of the truck driver, and this often leads a fatal accident by truck with of the vehicles due to blind spot. Identify the problem. Based on the problem that the occurring study will identify the problems among other as follow. First, how many factors that affect accident while driving on the highway. Second, the cause of the accident that different percentage in accordance with the factor. And the last, how does the application of real pot sensor integration on the real blind spot application become a millennial generation driving safety in media at 4.0. Scope of problem. Limitation of problem on matter relate to the application of the real blind spot, which is integrated with real sensor in the community. Formulation of the problem. Based on the student analysis relate to the background of the problem, the student formulate this problem in this paper is how does the application of real pot sensor integration on the real blind spot application become a millennial generation driving safety media in 4.0? And the purpose of based on the goals to be reached in this paper is describing the application of real sensor integration in the real blind spot application as a learning medium for driving safety for millennials in era 4.0. And next, the method student use is with the ADDE approach. Second, target this paper is Indonesian people who already have a drive license. Next, the sample will be taken from the lecture of the material expert, lecture of media expert, user application and truck container driver. And next, data collection technique. Data collection techniques are done by interview directly and questionnaires. And the last is technique of analysis. Data analysis techniques are conducted by using the PIP theory as benchmark research approach. And the next, the real blind spot application is based from technology, education, driving safety, and attitude of driving. The concept of how real pot sensor work. Start and make sure all Arduino is on, and next click reset in all sensor, and next to Arduino make sure is connected with Wi-Fi, and next sensor is connected with Arduino, and next when the sensor detected 3 meters, the sensor is having a signal yes or no. When the signal yes, sensor send all signal to Arduino with Wi-Fi, and next Arduino Wemos send to Firebase, and the Firebase data send to application and appear that the location of the vehicles, and the application give output with sound and information about the distance of the vehicles. Once a useful test result are obtained as follow, the sensor will transmit the range data to the real blind spot application. Since the data on Arduino is sent to the base Firebase data, then the real pot sensor take the data through Firebase, and conclusion of the existing real pot sensor test integrated with the real blind spot application. The sensor can detect the object moving with a 10-foot radius with a 1-second delay. Application design. The real blind spot have main screen, enter username, main course, understanding blind spot simulator, blind spot detector, riding gear, driving technical procedures, and driving rules. Technical testing is carried out to determine the level of product feasibility, which is converted into qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data based on opinion and criticism from material expert, media expert, application user, and beta tests. Then, qualitative data will be converted into quantitative data with 5 links scaled as follow. Score 5, category excellent, 4 good, 3 enough, 2 slightly good, and 1 not all good. And the validation of lecture materials, the result of the substance validation by the coordinator of transportation were carried out by Mr. Vivian Karim Ladesi, STMT, with the following result. The number of material validation score in the material expert is 50 by 11 indicator and therefore yields an average of 4.5 in excellent category. Validation of media processors. The result of the media validation are done by processor of electronic and media performed by Mr. Taryudi, STMT PhD, with the following result. The number of media validation score on the media expert is 48 by 11 indicators, which bring an average of the 4.3 in excellent category. Application user validation. The result of the application validation are carried out by 68 correspondents who already download application to the Google Play Store with the following result. The number of application user validation with 68 correspondent is 34.3 based on 8 indicators, resulting is an average of 4.3 in excellent category. Beta test result. The result of these beta tests are attributed to the drive of fixed truck in the beta test of a fixed application of each truck. A test being made of 5 container drive with a capacity of between 2 tons and 35 tons of container maximum load, as well as following. The total beta test score on the 5 trucks are 48 based on 11 indicator, resulting in average of 4.4 in excellent category. The conclusion. The real blind spot application is an application that contains educational material related to the importance of danger of blind spot when on highway that works to raise public awareness to maintain the safety of danger of the block of the vehicles. And the real blind spot application already has copyright for this work and can be accessed by the whole Indonesian people on Google Play Store on Android smartphone, each user application. And next, the real blind spot uses the analysis, design, development, implementation, evaluation, model approach, and calculation of validation among with the theory of benchmark reference approach, BIP. And the real blind spot application is very decent, based on the number of material validation score on the material expert of 50 based on the 11 indicator, resulting in an average 4.5 with a very good category. Benefit in this paper. First, theoretical benefits in this paper are to enrich theory in the field of transportation and develop a media platform to support blind spot learning for safety right. Second, for people who act as user, the real blind spot application can provide education on blind spot in different types of vehicles. The people can find out how to drive well by using complete driving features, and people can avoid blind spot. That's all from me. Thank you so much for all attention. The Honorable for me can presenting this paper on 7 International Conference on Electric Vehicular Technology 2022. My name is Segia Darwati and thank you.